It's time to brief your plan. Like with anything else, we have a template, and that template also coincides with a learning experience for you on how to conduct a briefing of your 5P plan. So let's go into the templates real quick. I told you we've got a template for everything in here. When you conduct your briefing, you want to click on here, it immediately starts downloading. Pull open that ODT, and it's going to open in whatever your preferred document system is. When we go through here, again, this is a briefing checklist. So as you're going through each one of these items, such as ensure everyone who is going to be conducting work, as per your plan, is present for the briefing of your plan, all the way down to taking action and what it will look like to take action, and it may require a fragmentary order to take action. So what I do here on the briefing checklist is I make sure to go through the checklist prior to actually conducting the briefing. And then what I train everyone to do is make sure that they start by first getting accountability. Do they have everybody that they need to conduct the briefing? Then I go through and make sure that I hammer out my checklist. Now, when I go through and conduct the briefing, and this is the same thing you will learn how to do when you go through and conduct the briefing, all you've got to do is start with orientation and work your way all the way through your plan. In the book, as well as in the tutorials, I share with you how to create a presentation based on a pitch deck. So I talk about it in the pitch deck: rally your team, brief your plan, add value to the world. I talk about it in depth in the book, the 5-paragraph business plan. It's available right here. You can get it for sale on Amazon. If you're one of our annual members, you will get a signed copy of the book, signed by me, for free as part of your annual membership. So I highly encourage you to join the 5P Inner Circle, get that annual membership. I'll be happy to sign a book and send it your way. When you go in and you conduct your briefing, you go through your briefing checklist, make sure that you hammer out all of the details of your plan, and it's the same plan that you brief higher is what you are briefing your team. We've got the template and the learning experience to back you up, as well as a 15-minute assessment if you would like to use that monthly assessment, as well as an advisor session. If you want to get an advisor session on an hourly basis so that we can really hone in on completing your plan and what it looks like to brief your plan, our advisors provide a sounding board for you, the leader, to be able to bounce ideas, to be able to present your plan, and with constructive criticism, you have the ability to rehearse and really knock out a solid plan and a solid presentation before you get in there. So this is why you join the 5P Inner Circle. We've got you every step of the way.